She did just eat before I picked her up, so, but only 3 ounces. Oh, silly girl. Your head is 10 times bigger than your body. Yeah. Did you have fun at daycare? Huh? Did you have fun at daycare today?